Why does it feel like your paycheck disappears the moment it hits your bank account? You promise yourself you'll save, but by the end of the month, there's nothing left. Sound familiar? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with budgeting, not because they don't make enough money, but because they don't have a simple system to manage it. The good news is, there's a formula so simple that anyone can use it. It doesn't require spreadsheets, calculators, or complex financial degrees. It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and it might just be the easiest way to take control of your money starting today. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Why budgeting feels impossible. Most people fail at budgeting because they try to overcomplicate it. They track every coffee, every grocery receipt, every small transaction until they give up. Others fail because they don't track at all. They spend blindly, then wonder where their money went. Here's the truth. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear. Without a plan, every paycheck leaks away. The 50-30-20 rule is the solution to this problem because it's not about counting pennies. It's about setting priorities. Real case. Senator Elizabeth Warren. The 50-30-20 rule gained popularity after being introduced by Senator Elizabeth Warren in her book, All Your Worth. The story is powerful. She saw families drowning in debt and struggling to manage their income. Instead of creating another complicated financial system, she simplified budgeting into just 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings. That simplification gave people hope. It gave them a roadmap. And to this day, thousands of financial advisors recommend it as the perfect starting point for beginners. How the rule works. Here's how it breaks down. 50% needs. Half of your income goes to essentials: rent, food, utilities, transportation, insurance. These are non-negotiables. 30% wants. 30% goes to lifestyle choices: eating out, streaming services, vacations, hobbies. These are the things that make life enjoyable, but aren't necessary to survive. 20% savings and debt repayment. The final 20% goes toward building your future: savings, investments, paying off debt. That's it. 3 categories. No math degree required. Real case. Average American household. Let me give you an example. The average American household earns about $5,000 a month. Using the 50-30-20 rule, that means $2,500 for needs, $1,500 for wants, $1,000 for savings and debt repayment. Now compare this to how most families actually spend. Often 70% to 80% on needs, which sometimes includes wants disguised as needs, leaving little to nothing for savings. The rule forces you to ask, is this truly a need or just a want? That shift in mindset alone can change your financial future. Step 1. Track where you are. Start by writing down your last 3 months of expenses. Categorize them into needs, wants, and savings. You'll probably be shocked at how much of your money goes into wants disguised as needs, like premium subscriptions, frequent takeout, or luxury upgrades. Awareness is the first step. Step 2. Adjust gradually. Don't panic if your percentages are far from 50-30-20. The goal is progress, not perfection. If you're spending 70% on needs, look for ways to reduce rent, renegotiate bills, or cut back on transportation costs. Small shifts add up. Step 3. Automate savings. The most important category is the 20% for savings and debt repayment. Automate this the moment you get paid. Set up transfers to a savings account, investment fund, or debt payment. If you wait until the end of the month, it'll be gone. Step 4. Allow guilt-free wants. Here's the beauty of the rule. It includes wants. You don't have to feel guilty for enjoying life. You can still go to dinner, buy that gadget, or take that trip, as long as it fits within the 30%. The rule protects you from overindulging, while still giving you freedom. Step 5. Use it as a compass, not a cage. The 50-30-20 rule isn't about restriction. It's about direction. It's a compass for your money. You can adjust the percentages slightly based on your goals, but the structure keeps you accountable and balanced. Call to action. So here's the truth. Budgeting doesn't have to be painful or complicated. The 30-20 rule is simple, powerful, and proven. It forces you to prioritize needs, control wants, and guarantee savings. Remember, money without a plan disappears, but money with a plan grows. You don't need to be a financial expert. You just need a simple system and the discipline to follow it. The 50-30-20 rule has helped thousands of people escape debt, build savings, and create financial freedom. The only question is, will you keep letting your money control you, or will you finally take control of your money? Start today. Create your first 50-30-20 budget. Your future self will thank you. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.